Welcome to Street Level Reality. Today we're walking through Gamla Stan, Stockholm's old town, one of the most preserved medieval city centers in Europe. If you're curious about what it's like to not just visit here but live here, we'll cover the people, housing, cost of living, safety, and everyday life. Where are we? We are in Gamla Stan. Sits on the original island where Stockholm was founded in 1252. Only a small percentage of Stockholm's residents actually live within these medieval streets. Today, millions of visitors pass through every year, taking in the narrow cobblestone alleyways, colorful buildings, and historic squares, making it one of the most photographed places in Scandinavia. Population of the city of Stockholm is approximately 1 million residents. The larger metropolitan area has about 2.5 million, making it Sweden's largest urban area by far. A little choo-choo train. Stockholm is one of Northern Europe's most international cities. Around 30 to 35% of residents have an international background. Swedish is most commonly spoken, but English also spoke here. Also, you'll hear Arabic, Finnish, Persian, Somali, Spanish, Polish, many other languages throughout the city. The median age here is 39 years old, which is young for Europe. Usually it's in the mid-40s. You're going to see a mix of tourists here in this area, office workers and locals enjoying cafes and restaurants. There's your kind of spot right there. Here we go, we found the rest of the tourists. Median income here is roughly 4,600 to 5,100 USD. A lot of that is eaten up by relatively high taxes, but residents have extensive public services, including healthcare, education, generous parental leave. Average apartment prices average between 650 and 1,020 USD per square foot. And cost of living is up there, but cheaper than London or New York. Roughly 1,300 to 1,600 USD per month. Stockholm is generally one of Europe's safer cities. Violent crime against tourists is relatively low. Common issues would be pickpocketing, bike theft, tourist scams, and crowded areas. This kind of pops out of Old Town here by the water. There goes some of that public transit right there. Education. Sweden has a strong emphasis on education. Stockholm is home to internationally respected universities, including Stockholm University, KTH, Royal Institute of Technology, and Karolinska Institute. I'm sure I butchered that, but it's here as well. Quality of life in Sweden ranks near the top globally. Residents benefit from universal health care, stronger worker protections, clean air, extensive parks, water access, and excellent public transit. You want to go check out Tits Trigard? Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's our walk around Old Town, Stockholm, Sweden. Hit that subscribe button and like button on the way out, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.